You ready?
Ready.
Set. Go.
Hi. Hi friends, I'm Nicole.
And I'm Brad.
We've been traveling since 2007, and over the years we've visited 14 countries, 3 continents, and 28 of the 50 U.S. states.
Though travel was fun, we developed a passion for experiencing new places and people.
In 2020, like many others, we decided to make our goals into reality. Our Colorado road trip in a rental van solidified that part-time van life was for us, and we spent the next year converting a 2019 Ford Transit into our home away from home. Oh yeah, that's being saved for bloops. So the floor is looking awesome. Most importantly is that we're gonna get to the edge here and it's gonna be a perfect fit. All we have to do is just cut this little piece off. So excited. All right, come on in here. Since the near completion of Vincent van Gogh, we explored the East Coast from Florida to Maine.
We're trying to find Nicole a lobster roll. We're down here in Bahaba.
We've had some amazing days and some crazy experiences, but we wouldn't change a thing.
It's coming for us. That's funny. I love
Oh my goodness. Are you so... We hope you'll come along with us on our journey as we visit all 50 states and all 7 continents. We love hearing from you, so leave us a comment below from which state or country you're from. We'd love to come visit.
We appreciate you guys watching.
Don't forget to comment below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel.
Thanks guys. See you on the next one.
Bye!